Now let us find the nth derivative of y is equal to x upon x plus 1 whole to the power 4. We have given that y is equal to x upon x plus 1 to the power 4. Now we know that the nth derivative of 1 upon ax plus b to the power m, which is equal to minus 1 to the power n, a to the power n, m plus n minus 1 factorial divided by m minus 1 factorial ax plus b to the power m plus n. Now, in this example, if we want to apply this formula, then in the numerator, it should be 1, but in the numerator, it is x. So we cannot apply the formula. If we are able to change this expression x upon x plus 1 to the power 4 into this form, then we are able to apply this formula. So let us do some adjustment and we will convert the above expression into the standard form. Y is equal to, now what we are doing, we are adding 1 and subtracting 1 in the numerator. Y is equal to x plus 1 minus 1 whole divided by x plus 1 to the power 4. Now we can write down x plus 1 divided by x plus 1 whole to the power 4 minus 1 upon x plus 1 to the power 4. Since this is x plus 1 to the power 1 and this is x plus 1 whole to the power 4, so 1 will cancel and this will become 3, which is equal to 1 upon x plus 1 whole cube minus 1 upon x plus 1 whole to the power 4. Now we have converted x upon x plus 1 whole to the power 4 into the form of standard form. Therefore, we are able to apply the formula now. So if we apply now differentiating n times, we have, if we apply this formula, the value of m is equal to, in the first, let us first find out the nth derivative of the first function. Here m is equal to 3, a is equal to 1, and b is equal to also 1. And here m is equal to 4. So we can separate it. Nth derivative of 1 upon x plus 1 whole cube minus nth derivative of 1 upon x plus 1 whole to the power 4. Now if we apply the formula, minus 1 to the power n, so we can get minus 1 to the power n. Value of a is equal to 1, a to the power n. So the value of a is equal to 1, so 1 to the power n. Here m is equal to 3, so we can put the value of m equal to 3. N is n and minus 1 factorial whole divided by 3 minus 1 factorial x plus 1 and 3 plus n, because m is equal to 3. If we apply the same formula for the second expression, here the value of m equal to 4, so 3 will be replaced by 4. So minus 1 to the power n, 1 to the power n, 4 plus n minus 1 factorial whole divided by 4 minus 1 factorial into x plus 1, 4 plus n. Let us try to simplify it. Minus 1 to the power n, 1 to the power n is 1. This is n plus 2 factorial, n plus 2 factorial. 3 minus 1 factorial is 2 factorial. X plus 1 whole to the power n plus 3. Again here minus 1 to the power n. 1 to the power n is 1. N plus 3 factorial whole divided by 4 minus 1 is 3 factorial. X plus 1 to the power n plus 4. Now minus 1 to the power n. Now we have to write down 2 factorial is 2. Factorial 2 is 2. Factorial 3 is 6. Now here, multiplying by 3 in numerator as well as denominator, then and remaining term we have to write minus 1 to the power n plus 2 factorial. Here 3 into 2, x plus 1 to the power n plus 3 minus minus 1 to the power n plus 3, and n plus 3 factorial is n plus 3 into n plus 2 factorial. 6 into x plus 1, here it is x plus 1 to the power n plus 4. So we can write down, we can take x plus 1 outside. So x plus 1 to the power n plus 3 is remaining. Now, what are the rate takes we are seeing is common in the whole, both the expressions. So can we take as a common minus 1 to the power n plus 2 factorial, 3 to the 6, n plus x plus 1 to the power n plus 1, n plus 3. What is remaining over here? That this term we have taken outside. So 3 is remaining over here. Now if we go to the second part, minus 1 to the power n we have taken outside. N plus 2 factorial we have taken outside. 6 we have taken outside, and x plus 1 to the power n plus 3 we have taken outside. The remaining term is n plus 3 divided by x plus 1. And if we again simplify this is 3 upon 1. So LCM is x plus 1. Therefore, it will become 3x plus 3. 3 times of x plus 1 means 3x plus 3 minus n minus 3 divided by x plus 1. So plus 3 and minus 3 will cancel. And we have the last expression, which is minus 1 to the power n plus 2 factorial. This is 3x minus n whole divided by 6 times of x plus 1 to the power n plus 4. So this is the nth derivative of the given function. Thank you.